The assignment tool enables you to create, manage, and distribute activities that assess student learning in meaningful ways. To create an assignment, navigate to the content area in the course where the assignment should appear. Click the Assessment heading, then select Assignment from the drop-down menu. Start by giving the assignment a title. Add text to provide assignment details or instructions. You may also attach files from your computer. After you've added your assignment instructions, enter the due date, and points possible. You may also set any additional criteria for submission details, grading options, and display of grades. Be sure to make the assignment available to students. When you are finished, select Submit at the bottom right corner of the page. To learn more about grading assignments, view the STAR resources for the Blackboard Grade Center.